Bajaj Auto is also expected to come out with its Q3 numbers in today's trade as well. The numbers are expected to be good and led by robust sales and higher realizations. Profit is expected to increase by about 32%, and revenue is also expected to see a high double digit growth in late 20s. Somewhere around 28% is what most brokerages are expecting. But Amit, first, what are your broader expectations from Bajaj Auto this time around? And second, the stock has been a clear outperformer. It was one of the best performing stocks in the Nifty 50 basket last year. In fact, on across all price chart compared to its peers, it has outperformed up about 90% or so in the last 1 year. In the last 1 month, in fact, it's up 11%. So what are your expectations from Bajaj Auto, and how is the stock looking on price charts?
Yeah, right. So I think Bajaj Auto, obviously clearly benefited in the past 6 months from this drop in the commodity prices. There was a sort of a strong demand because of the festive season as well. So the volume growth which you are seeing almost 30% year on year, that was mainly because the two-wheeler segment performed really well during the festive season. In fact, they took price increases also during the festive season, and that was well accepted by the market. However, my sense is that overall, if you look at the picture currently, post Q3, the positive momentum is actually counterbalancing with the decline in volumes of three-wheelers. Uh, and so there is a very lower export contribution currently into the market. In fact, recently when they have announced their monthly data also, there is a very clear indication that the exports are actually suffering. So my sense is that the expected realization may decline sequentially on a quarter-on-quarter basis, primarily attributed to how they are placed, because 60% of their revenue comes from exports and 40% only from domestic. So because of that geographic and the product mix, they might struggle in the current quarter, Q4 quarter. Obviously, there is a strong festive season again in south of India, in the Pongal and all that. People tend to buy two-wheelers according to that. But overall, because the rural sentiment is still sort of down in the dumps, one needs to be a little cautious from the current levels. The upside from these levels may be limited. The best news may already be in the price.